I'm Bob from Bob's Workshop. In this episode, I'm going to be adding some steps to the foam retaining wall that I've been working on for my O-gauge layout. The carving went pretty well. The painting made it a little bit better. I'm very happy with this project, and I think you're going to like what you see today with the addition of some steps coming down from a Plasticville pedestrian bridge. Lately, I've been working on a little scene for my layout that involves foam insulation and a pedestrian bridge made by Plasticville. It's a kit that's been around for a long time, and it goes together pretty easily. I like that it's molded in green plastic because when I'm finished, I plan to paint it green anyway. A lot of wrought iron was painted that way many years ago, so I'm going to do the same. Just out of curiosity, I looked up Plasticville Pedestrian Bridge on eBay. I found only one currently for sale, and the final selling price surprised me. You may have noticed that the pedestrian bridge consists of basically 3 sections, and I've only used 2 so far. My hillside and retaining wall were originally going to have styrofoam steps that would be painted to look like poured concrete. But then I remembered the leftover set of plastic steps. I was thinking about saving them for a future project, but after some measuring, I realized that I could use them here. If you're lucky enough to have a hobby shop near you, you could swing by and buy a bag of styrene plastic strips like these. This is 2 millimeters by 2 millimeters square, and each piece is about 14 inches long. A pack of 9 was only $4. In the world of O-scale, this would be equivalent to a 4-inch by 4-inch post. It's going to do a nice job of completing the rough ends of my railings. I had a little bit of railing left over and added it to the top of the lower section. A similar piece was glued to the steps coming down from the area over the tracks. The first color is a darker green in a satin finish, while the second color is almost an olive drab with no shine at all. Together, I think it will give the bridge and the steps a slightly faded and sun-worn look. I may be dragging my feet on the yard work here, just like in real life, but everything that you still see in black paint will eventually be grass, and I'll add a few trees too. I've seen other people glue down the green turf from Woodland Scenics, but I've never done it myself, so I'm a little hesitant and anxious. It would really suck to screw up everything I have here so far, but good or bad, I'll show it in the next video. So until next time, this has been Bob's Workshop. Take care.